It's your boy Mike Williams, MikeWilliamsPro.com, and you're on this video because you're interested in learning how to make some extra money from home.
Are you tired of being broke? Are you tired of watching everybody else win? Are you tired of not living the life you deserve? Well, the time is now. I'm going to show you how to unleash your best potential and create 6 figures online with affiliate marketing.
I've been an affiliate marketer for 10 years. I used to live in a 2-bedroom apartment, raising a family of 6. I currently live in a 3,000 plus square foot home, and I'm working here out of my home office, all because of the information I learned on the internet of how to supplement my income selling affiliate products. So what I want to show you real quickly is just some proof over the last 30 days in one PayPal account, how I was able to make a little over $5,000, literally on autopilot, utilizing income producing activities, utilizing internet marketing, selling affiliate products, the products I do not own. I'm just simply marketing, advertising those products, and creating affiliate commissions. So I've logged into my PayPal account, and I'm gonna go up here to, I'm in the activity tab, just to show you that it refreshes. Show you the time there, Monday 10:45, and the date is, date should show up. Oh, there it is, December 10th, 2018. Okay, so I'm gonna go back here, get activity, past 30 days. You click chart and graphs, right? Scroll down, and it's so right there, received in this particular PayPal account, $5,850.50. Okay, that was from one PayPal account utilizing affiliate marketing, from simple videos on the internet, and so forth and so on. Very simple tactics. So what I want to share with you is a very simple video. It's like a 3-minute video. What you're going to do is click the link below, and it's going to take you over to a page where you're going to submit your email. Once you submit your email, you're going to see a short video. Watch the video. Watch it as many times as you want to, and then you'll take the necessary steps to get started with the program. So I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Peace.
Are you tired of being broke? Are you tired of watching everybody else win? Are you tired of not living the life you deserve? Well, the time is now. I'm going to show you how to unleash your best potential and create 6 figures online with affiliate marketing.